Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to our channel, and for those who are new, welcome. My name is Jovey and I am back for another exciting video for everyone, most of all for me. So this morning I just received a parcel from Boohoo. Have a look at that color there guys, the packaging is beautiful, isn't it? So it's so beautiful. So I thought I'm going to do an unboxing with you. Hang on, maybe not unboxing because it's not a box guys. How about, I'm sorry guys, I've got Paris in the back. Yes honey, up. Good job. She just woke up. You want to say hi to the camera? Hi? Good girl. So yeah guys, as mentioned, we're gonna do an unbagging, and also I'll try to insert photos when I've got them on, because that's what I love guys. Every time I watch hauls, like clothes hauls, yeah, I'm always excited when, you know, I see them on the person, so it helps me, you know, make up my mind if I want to buy that or not for myself. So enough chit-chatting guys, let's get into it guys. It's so beautiful. Like I feel bad tearing it, but got to, right? So I ordered this guys. You okay? Come on, help mama. So I ordered this guys on 15th of July and today's 26th. So it is yeah, 11 days guys. It took 11 days to get it delivered to my front door, which is not bad actually, because what can you expect? I don't know if it's actually from Australia. Well, the slip here says from Banksmeadow, New South Wales, but I don't believe that. I think it's from China guys. But anywho, let's get into it guys. So I'm just gonna see what I can, you know, pull out first, and then also I've got my phone because I want to tell you the pricing. So guys, the reason why I went to the website, because they actually have 50% off, and guys, I love sale guys. Like most of the time I don't really buy, I don't want to pay full price, so you know, they were on 50% sale, 50% off sale. Then oh, let's straight away have a look at this little one here. Hello, say hi. Good job. Want to help mama? Help mama? Oh, oh. So the first one, okay. So this one here, it says Petite high-waisted woven wide leg trouser. So this one guys, it's, so obviously guys, I'm only 5 foot. So I went to their Petite section straight away guys, because I'm so tiny guys. Well, I'm not tiny, I'm short, that's what I'm trying to say. 5 foot flat. So ooh, okay. Oh, okay. So that's the brand guys, Boohoo. That's what it looks like. It's really long. It's still long though. I think it's still too long for me, even if it's for petite. So the color for this one guys is like, I don't know, it looks like it's peachy pink. So yeah, I'm gonna insert some photos guys when I got this on. I really think this is still too long. Anyhow, I've got this for $22.50, guys. So it was originally $45, but yep, they're in sale, 50% off. So I got it for $22.50. Okay, so that's the first one. Here's the first one. Do you want this? Good girl. The second one, guys, is this checkered, yellow checkered pants, I think. Yeah, so it's Petite checked tartan trousers. So, for your information, guys, I got everything in size small, size 8. Size 8 Australian. Careful, honey. So here it is. Well, I really like the color, guys. Although I didn't expect this material. God, I think, oh yeah, I think this length is not too bad. There's a little bit of stretch to it, guys. So I can fit my fat thighs on it. Okay, so the third item, guys, is this white. Oh, what's the name? Petite tailored trousers, white in size 8. So that's what comes in. We'll see. So guys, this is the first time I ordered from them, so it's very interesting because I ordered from ASOS, Fashion Nova before, but not from Boohoo. Oh, okay. Guys, that's what it looks like. So that's the brand. That's what it looks like. It's a bit crumpled. Oh God, okay. I think this one is another long. Oh God, short girl problem, guys. Even yeah, the items from the petite section, guys, still too long for me, which is really sad. And also, guys, I'm a bit disappointed with this. The quality of this one, guys. I think it's see-through. I think, you know, you will see. You will see my undies, guys. I think it's very interesting. So that's what it looks like. Oh, I forgot what's the pricing for this one. So this one I got for $20, guys. So yeah, $20. I'm not sure, because sometimes I think, you know, with clothes, guys, it is, you won't know, or you won't see the beauty of it until you got it on. So down to the fourth item, guys, I've got a boyfriend jeans. So it's called Petite Extreme Rip Boyfriend Jeans. So I'm very excited for this one, guys. You see what it looks like. Hi, my love. What's this? Oh, okay. Well, this one looks alright. I think the length is good on this one. Have a look at this. Although, I feel like it's really small on here. Bang Barbie nga kon, guys. Nga waist. I'm not sure if this is gonna fit, but looking at it first glance, I think it looks really good. Oh, I think I'm gonna wear this today. Oh, beautiful. Okay, so for this one, guys, the price is $18. Oh wow, it's not bad. $18 for this. So onto the next item, guys. We've got, okay, Petite Scalloped Edge Strappy Laced Bodysuit. Oh, I've got a bodysuit. Let's see what it looks like, guys. Oh, okay. guys, you know, like, because the photos that you see on their website, guys, it looks really good. Sometimes you get yeah, disappointed when you see the actual item and it's a bit different. Like, I think it's just the quality, but I can wear this, I think so. It's very nice to pair with jeans, I think, the boyfriend jeans. So that's it. I'm gonna tell you the price for that one. That is $22.50, guys, so it's $45 full price. See, I don't think I'm gonna buy something like this for $45, guys. So I'm glad I got them all on sale. And then we're down to our last two items, guys. So the second to the last one is the Petite high-rise cycling shorts. So I saw this online, guys. Like, I think everyone is back, you know, wearing this, guys, because it's like, you know, on trend again, I'd say. But I'm not sure. It's really, really thin. Can you see? You can see my face through it. Oh, wow. Okay. I don't think I'm gonna wear this at all. So this one, I think I got this for, yeah, $7. Okay, well, as mentioned before, guys, sometimes you won't see the beauty of the item until you wear it. So I'll see when I wear them. It might, you know, change my mind. So the last item, guys, is this Petite one button distressed high-rise skinny jean light blue. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Again, I think this is too long for me. See, I like all this distressing, guys. It looks really cool. But we'll see how it looks when I got this on, guys. So that's the last item, and this one I got for $25, guys. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like on their website. Actually, I might insert a photo of the yeah, the model wearing it, guys. So I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like on the model. I want to be a model. So that's the one there, guys. So see, I'm not sure if that's how it's gonna look on me. Obviously we have different, you know, shapes and sizing and all that jazz. So, but yeah, oh, there you go, guys. So I got that for $25, and I just checked their website, guys, and it's now up to $30 because they're only 40% off. Okay, so I'm happy I got it when it was 50%. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna try them on, and I'm going to you know, insert the clips me trying them on, and hopefully I'm gonna like them, guys, because I spent, how much? All in all, including the shipping, I spent $143. So yeah, that's 143 Australian dollars, guys. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 items, guys, for $143. So is it worth it? I'm gonna tell you guys after I wear them all, because yeah, I'll see. I think when you're buying online, guys, it's always a hit and a miss. So yeah, this one I'd say mix, because yeah, I could see the jeans, I think they look good, but some of it, like this white trouser, guys, it's, yeah, it's, I don't know, I didn't expect this quality because it looks really good on the photo from their website. And also obviously the cycling, guys, what's this, like, it looks like it's I don't know. I'm speechless about this. But yeah, I'll get back to you in a minute, guys. So guys, this is the bodysuit. Quality wise, I don't think I'm very impressed, but you know, it's wearable. And this is the high-waisted jeans, which is size 8, guys, but see, it's very generous. I don't think I can wear it, so I'll probably give this to my sister. So yeah guys, it's nice because it's got the distressing going, but yeah, it's just very big, and also it's long, so yeah, no. So the second one, guys, is this boyfriend jeans. Well, it's supposed to be boyfriend jeans. Have a look. I love the length because I think the length is perfect, but have a look at this, guys. I can't even close it. Seriously. I probably could, but I won't be able to breathe anymore. Ugh. It's too tight. So yeah, it is good. The quality is good, but guys, I ordered size 8 and this is supposed to be size 8. But again, the sizing is not good. So again, thumbs down for me, guys. So the next one, guys, is this white trouser. I'm gonna show you. So this fits good. See on the waist, it's really perfect, and it's not a see-through, so I like that. I'm just wearing my high heels, guys, so you'll see the beauty, because normally you know, you won't see the beauty of the item until, you know, you're in like the full outfit. So here's the next one, guys. It's the yellow checkered pants. So I like this one, guys, because it's elastic here, so it fits me well, and also the quality of the cloth is not bad, so I like this one. So for this one, I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. So the next item, guys, is this wide leg pant. So this one, guys, it's not see-through, so I like it. However, it's so long. Have a look. Like, if I don't wear high heels with it, guys, then I'm in trouble because I won't be able to wear it. It's too long. But other than that, it's good. Quality is not the best, but the style and the color is perfect. So the next item, guys, is this biker shorts. But guys, I'm not even gonna try this on, guys, because it is see-through and it doesn't look pleasant. It doesn't look pleasant at all. So I don't know, maybe I'm just gonna wear it when I go to bed, because this will be really comfortable. See, it's very soft, so yeah, it's perfect for bed. So yeah, so that's about it, guys. That's what I got from Boohoo. All in all, it is, I think it's the same, guys. It's same every time you buy online. It's always a hit or a miss. So in my instance, guys, I think 50-50, I'd say, because I could still wear them, but I had to, I don't know, do something to make them work. But with this one, guys, there's no chance to make this work, because it's just, yeah, I'm hopeless with this one, guys. But the other item, for the price, I just say it's a-okay. But you know, it's, you can always try again, you can always buy from them, guys, and try it for yourself, because you know, it doesn't mean that, you know, it didn't work for me, it means that it won't work for you. So yeah, you have to try it yourself, guys, so you know. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed doing it for you. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family, and also give this video a thumbs up, guys. I would appreciate that. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. See you later. Bye.